Okay, we're going to go inside this one. This one is a SEEKER. This is for all the sports fans out there. They have loads of equipment with them. It's got a few less bits of furniture in than you're going to have in the other models, but loads of space for all your toys. Let's have a look. Okay, so the first thing you notice when you come in is this little kitchen unit here. Okay, this is done with this lovely bit of work surface here, so you got lots of chopping space for preparing everything. Underneath you got a cooker. You can use this straight in here to make a cup of coffee in the morning or something. But hey, we're lucky to live in France where it's always sunny and beautiful outside. So you can easily just grab this thing and take it outside so you can cook your big meal outside. Underneath, you can get either a fridge or you can get this Moby called Glacier. This has everything you need in there, easy to get at, and you've got all your food staying fresh or cold beer for after you surf. But the beautiful thing about this interior, this pulls out and gives you 140 sleeping area. And that extra width, we use it to hide things like surfboards underneath. So this one you can get 3, 4, maybe even 5 surfboards if you've got little skinny ones out there. This model doesn't have a unit on the side, and this gives you more storage for things like backpacks that you can just hook on your wall, helmets, or a bike, or 2 bikes. You can even pull your bed out and get a decent sized bed to sleep in while you got your bike hidden away. No one knows you've got an expensive bike in here, so you're all calm when you're not in your van. Come around the back, I'll show you in the bottom of the bed. So here, this little hatch, whew, hides your surfboards underneath. So this, not only does it get them out of the way so you're not kicking and denting them when you're traveling, it also means if you're hanging out at your van, no one knows you've got expensive surfboards in there, so no one's going to think to rob you later. They just think you've got an empty van. That's the beauty of this one.